So do you also wish to generate the LinkedIn job updates automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to craft engaging job posts in seconds using an AI agent. So as a recruiter, my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new job updates in my Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate the message for the same. And after generating the message, automatically that should be shared as a new post on my LinkedIn account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Sheets with OpenAI and LinkedIn using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate job update posts for LinkedIn using AI agents. This will help you save your time, keep your hiring posts consistent, and help you attract the right talent more efficiently. So as you all know that as a recruiter, I frequently need to post job updates on LinkedIn to attract the right talent for different roles. So now writing fresh, engaging posts for each opening takes a lot of time, especially when I'm hiring for multiple positions across departments. So by using an AI agent to auto-generate job updates messages, I can quickly create professional and compiling posts tailored to each role. This helps me maintain a consistent presence on LinkedIn, reach a wider audience, and attract more qualified candidates without spending hours crafting every update manually. Alright, so here on my screen you can see my Google Sheet that I've already created with the name LinkedIn job post. And these are the fields that I've taken over here, such as job title, department, location, employment type, key requirements, call to action, and tone of voice. So that whenever I'm going to add a new detail over here in my Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate a proper LinkedIn post for me. And after generating the post, automatically that should be shared on my LinkedIn account as a new post. Alright, so now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Google Sheets with my OpenAI account and LinkedIn account using an automation software. And now firstly in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply adding a new detail over here in my Google Sheets. Alright, so let me add the details. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added a new detail over here in my Google Sheets. And now here after adding the details over here in my Google Sheets, let's go and check our LinkedIn account. So let me take you back to my LinkedIn. Here I'm going to refresh the window. And here you can see we have successfully created a new post over here on our LinkedIn account with the text as exciting opportunity alert, and this is the entire detail that we added over here in our Google Sheets. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Google Sheets with your OpenAI account and LinkedIn account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as craft engaging job post in seconds using an AI agent. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Sheets, as I'm adding new details in my Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is a free web-based spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit and share spreadsheets online. So here in my Google Sheets trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new or updated spreadsheet row, so that whenever I'm going to add a new detail over here in my Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Sheets account. So this is the Google Sheet that I've already created with the name LinkedIn job post, and these are the fields. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect this Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect in order to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. But here, before moving forward with the connection, firstly I'm going to add a new detail over here in my Google Sheets. So let me add the details. Alright, so here you can see I've successfully added a detail over here, such as the title, department, location, employment type, key requirements, call to action and tone of voice. Alright, so now after adding the details, I'm going to build this connection. So here, to build this connection, you need to install an add-on in your Google Sheets account first. And for that, you need to click on this extensions, and from here you need to select add-ons. Now here under this add-ons, you need to select get add-ons. And then here in this Google Workspace Marketplace, you have to search for an add-on, that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And then you need to install this particular add-on in your Google Sheets account in order to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here you can see it is already installed in my Google Sheets account. So I'm going to move back, and after installing this particular add-on, you need to follow exactly the same steps. Alright, so now after installing the add-on, you need to refresh your Google Sheets, and that's a necessary step. Okay, so now after refreshing the Google Sheets, you need to click on this extensions, and then you'll be able to see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So from there, you need to select initial setup. And now here under this initial setup, it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So for the webhook URL, I'm going to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. And here for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here in my Google Sheets, you can see my last data column is column G. So I'm going to enter my trigger column as column G, and then I'm going to click on this submit. And it says setup configured successfully. That means we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Google Sheets, and we have successfully connected our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now after building the connection, I'm going to test this connection by clicking on the send test button given over here. And it says test data sent successfully. That means we have successfully sent the first row data of our Google Sheets to this webhook URL. That means to our Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so let's go and check it. But here, before moving back to Pabbly, we are going to perform another very important step to completely connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So for that, you are going to click on this extensions, and from here we are going to select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and now we are going to turn on the send on event, so that whenever you're going to add a new detail over here in your Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. So let's go and check it, and here you can see we have received a tick in front of the send on event. That means we have successfully turned it on. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the trigger column, tone of voice, spreadsheet name, ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, location, key requirements, job title, employment type, department and call to action. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received all the details to our Google Sheets, then automatically I want to give these details to OpenAI to generate a proper LinkedIn job update post for me. Alright, so for that I'm going to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. And here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So here in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that by using this particular model, OpenAI should generate a proper LinkedIn post for me. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, is asking me to enter the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account. And from here, I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here in the API keys, you can see some existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key over here by clicking on this create new secret key. And here I'm going to give the name as job updates. And then I'm going to select my project as default project. And then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to paste the API token. Now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the AI model. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see some existing models over here. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-4o mini. You can select the model as per your need. And then here is asking me to enter the prompt. So here in this prompt field, I'm going to enter a relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a proper LinkedIn job update post for me. Alright, so let me add the relevant prompt. Alright, so here I've successfully added a relevant prompt over here where I've added some instructions for the AI and the detail as job title, department, location, employment type, and some others as well. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive new response through a Google Sheets, then automatically and instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the job title, I'm going to map the job title. Here for the department, I'm going to map the department. Here I'm going to map the location. Here I'm going to map the employment type. Here I'm going to map the key requirements. Here I'm going to map the call to action. And lastly, I'm going to map the tone of voice. And with this, we have successfully completed our prompt over here. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a message content generated, where we have received the entire post generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now after generating the post, automatically I want to share this post on my LinkedIn account. So for that I'm going to add another action step over here, and here in this action step I'm going to select my action application as LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a social network for professionals where people can connect, share their work experience, and build their careers. So in my LinkedIn action step, I'm going to select my action event as share simple text, so that by using this particular action event, I'm going to share a simple text post on my LinkedIn account. Alright, so now here to connect my LinkedIn with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your LinkedIn account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here you can see my details of the account are already pre-filled over here. So I'm going to click on the sign in. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the author. So I'm going to select my account author over here, and here for the content I'm going to map the content generated by OpenAI. So this is the LinkedIn post generated by OpenAI. So this is the content, and then here is asking me for the visibility. So I'm going to select the visibility as public, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new post over here on our LinkedIn account. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to move back. And here you can see we have successfully created a new post over here with the starting as exciting opportunity alert, and this is the entire post generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Google Sheets and our action as OpenAI and LinkedIn, so that when you're going to add a new detail over here in our Google Sheets, then automatically using the details, OpenAI is going to generate the engaging job post, and after generating the job post, automatically that is going to be shared shared on our LinkedIn account as a new post. Alright, so these were the steps to how to craft engaging job posts in seconds using an AI agent. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now, if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.